Hello, this is my video app submission to get our Dyzio application taken out of Sandbox with the Instagram API. We have built a mini app for Dyzio which allows social media influencers to log in and get rated on marketing campaigns they've done for clients. So we'd like influencers to log in with their Instagram OAuth credentials so that we don't have to manage their usernames and passwords. Plus, we feel it's relevant, extremely relevant for a social media app to favor social media logins. So I'll give you a quick demo of how the app works. We have our landing screen now. So as a member of the Dyzio Influencer Network, you've been invited to create a rating page. And then the influencer would click, I'm an influencer. I've set up my influencer using a sandbox invite, as you're probably aware. So we'll be able to log in with Facebook or Instagram. So I click log in with Instagram. So we need to be able to log in with Instagram rather than Facebook so that we can have people without business accounts, Instagram business accounts, logging in. So log in with Instagram. And then that basically sets up the page for me, and we create a user in our database and bind them to the Instagram user we got from Auth0, who is our authorization provider. So we've plugged our Instagram app credentials into Auth0. Okay, so basically all we really need is the ability for users to log into our app using OAuth. Thank you very much. Goodbye.